rally on tomorrow must be greater than today. We are tomorrow must be greater than today. We see rally on tomorrow must be greater than today.
Now that we want to.
We are tomorrow must be greater than today.
Yes, radio. Yes, we are. Our government and the people.
Let me stop this buckle kill. Let me stop the plenty arrest. Let me stop political divide. Let we try for see we self as one. One thing we for do. Let we come together as one. So we see rally on tomorrow must be greater than today. We are tomorrow must be greater than today. We see rally on tomorrow must be greater than today.
Now that we want to.
We are tomorrow must be greater than today.
Before you dey continue for watching video, we are not say you get for do. We want let you do for we 4 things. Number 1, press for we the subscribe button
and knock the notification bell.
Aha! Give it thumbs up for sure say you like the video.
And left you comment below in the comment section.
This all when you do you dey sure say you dey support we for let we do more and more.
Yes, because if not for una, we know they able to doya for the send them kind message out.
So no go no side. We
come back. Gishno.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able to grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your Messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for what you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.
Welcome back. This na your program. We had me, na Justin,
and me, na Aliyu. Inside the program today, we get plenty things for you. But before ever we continue, we want to say plenty thank you to you we always don dey join we for make sure say you view we videos them. You will don't subscribe, oh thank you very much. But you will always dey come dey watch your video, but you not subscribe it. Come on, do that for me now. It not dey cost you anything, but still we want to tell you thank you. Haha, you said when they give you thumbs down. We want to say
plenty
thank you. Justin, before we continue, somebody they will always they insult we. But I don't know what to make. I just like a normal because they insult you.
I like that man they pass you.
Yes, we just like a normal. I think his name na Abraham Tucker, something like that. He always they tell you was stupid and all. But I just like
Anyways. Abraham Tucker, you always they come. Now comment section below and blast for we. And me, now number 1 person will like what you can do. Because in any way they do not life, if you don't get whether they oppose you, you know they get correction, you know they take correction. But mind you, we not to SLPP, power government, where they not for oppose. When people they oppose them, they lock them up at them road. So you welcome. Now for the kind of course we talk bad things about we like that.
But the only thing, we not go take anybody when they talk bad word now in comment section. You go force me follow we remove you. But then kind thing in there, no problem. At least when they do something and follow we get other they tell we say no, you wrong in this, no, you right in this. So we want to tell you now all when they left on a comment down for me in our comment section. Plenty thank you. He don't do one again. First lady don't do one again. No, he don't do one again.
But wait. You notice something from First Lady? This video we pull Monday.
Now make her the glad so. Why he sing for her so. Now, for this particular video, me I get my call her mama now.
Yes, because me self see something where I don't ever see with First Lady the display.
No, I been see. This kind way how the First Lady talk so. Now the way this way he been talk before he become First Lady. Very respectful.
So you want to tell me say that the power be the shake away, you know they will comport?
When something big for you too much, you just get an normal, you know how for arrange. But I think say the First Lady don't transform. It don't be that kind of person again. Where we will say this now with First Lady. First Lady don't do one again. No, he don't do one again. Mama, thank you for that video.
Thank you for the video. Now you know what you tell thank you for. So many people they thank you every brother, they try for talk. So until we all be the shout for First Lady say, First Lady no sabi talk, First Lady wake up, if they can't add for dirty water. But we see something where surprise we on Monday the video where First Lady pull. The video where he talks say people and they go around, they go and tell people them or they go and take money to people and say, then they bring their names there to First Lady for can give them loan when a microcredit to all sabi. But First Lady don't come out this time around and tell we say, let nobody not get a bad name. In not they do that thing a day. But not to that, we the Allah for say, First Lady don't try again. Now the way a manner where First Lady compose on that video, the way he presents himself, the way he talk with respect.
Justin.
You know, this time around, First Lady, he really left video where he talk like a First Lady. Now the first video this, because when somebody do bad, we dey talk am. But when you do good again, we dey praise you. So to me, I dey say kudos to First Lady for this video.
How about you don't give people a yagba na their mind, they want for hear, they want for see. Why you not show them the video now?
Well, now that they cancel, I feel say get something for talk before they display the video.
This the way how First Lady behave.
Okay. Before you dey talk, the people una watch the video.
Papa God, thank you today. We get this opportunity again. Today, Monday the 3rd of August. Look like say the rain they can go. We pray to God that this rain here done and we okay in this country. I beg to you this now one quick video I just want for do. Quick one. For the last 2 months, I don't get a whole lot of complaints them from the market woman them from here from Freetown here. Go near Guinea border. Go near Liberian border. Where then they tell me say some woman then they go to them, they go take money in their hand, say let them pay registration. Say me they come for can give microcredits to them woman then they. So then they can collect money them all over the place. I don't get call from Lompa police station. I don't get call from Ross Road police station at Freetown here. And I don't make them very clear. Me and nobody, I dey say am again, me and nobody no ever talk about anybody in this country here for go do registration with market woman them and collect money from them. One day, me and nobody, no ever, if I not take I give to them market woman them free, astaghfirullah, I no go ever go take from them market woman them day. So I dey plead to all the market woman them. Tuya, anybody will come to una say na me Fatima Sena. Tuya, from this video, I want una know say na lie the person the lie. I no ever send anybody for go to any market woman for say you for pay registration. The money where government they give through NACSA to the market woman they not ask nobody for any form of registration. And so for where woman then they go na them markets then they use me name, say na me send them. Do you me mama them, do you me auntie they are the big una for God and Anabi. I want una know say me Fatima I not send nobody to una. And I don't they complain now every police station for let them know. For any of this kind of case, when them bring kind of police station, I know they take them lightly. Because if you want thief the people them, you go find your way for thief, but don't use my name. No use me name for something where I don't know today, for something where I don't know tomorrow. I just want to make this very clear because I don't get journalists that they call me. I don't get market woman that they call me. I don't get police that when they call me because then they hold the woman the way when they go with me name. I don't get them calls there and they need for stop. Because the person where they give, we don't give this authorization to the woman, they say let them go around for tip from the market woman there. And they plead to them, make them stop. Let them stop, let them not use me name per lie, let them not use me name per thief. So I tell you, thank you. And I hope say this could be a message where me every market woman in this country I will able to listen to, and they will not say yes. The person where don't they go to them for let them pay registration, the person a thief in the thief the money, not to me send that person there. Una thank you so very much. May God bless una all. And you are the big una with the listen, Lord help me, Lord share this video here to all man. If you know the market woman day where you sabi when not get WhatsApp for able or Facebook for able to see this video, I beg explain to them. May them not say now thief then the thief from them, not to miss them. Do you are the big? Una thank you.
Until now all don't see, well, one more time, and they say kudos to First Lady. Now you don't
Meto, you do kudos. Thank you. Dear, what do you think about this particular video with the First Lady release soon? Because we don't blast for her. So this time we tell and thank you. He looks up in all the time thank you, maybe. So you tell me now, what do you think about this video with the First Lady left soon? Compared to all the other video them where it can pull, where it can make so. You remember, This one is very composed. Oh, Mama First Lady, thank you very much. Now say it so. Hey, Mama First Lady, you get training about this one.
It's not like Mariduma this time around.
I'm glad today was so I'm glad because I know say we First Lady.
It don't they change.
It don't get that crown as a First Lady. Now it concern but the position.
We just pray it continue this.
No, it continue.
Make something not carry them out again from the circle where they don't begin enter so.
And what me go tell you, because this na bad thing they do for Kego in name say na in. But that same way when people go they attack you, come out so we address them this same kind of way. Let me tell you something. The word, you know the word, you know. When you go, you talk and confirm like how you talk this so. That person there, when they always can, a First Lady this, a First Lady that, it against. It is for myself now, I mean a shalatba. Well, tell me I talk about this person, and the person react to myself. Mama First Lady, thank you. This crown we don't wear so today for this video. Continue for where and for we. We glad you. Anyway, we just tell you thank you. Dear, you when they watch me right now. What do you self think? If you say for 10 and 10 KNT, let me comment down for we. Now we comment section. We go gladly for you from you. Let me go small now.
Well, still is how we had. But Ali, you know say expired in them bakuna we country where people in the sell na streets.
What's on news that day?
And you know say you get shop them, you get businessman and businesswoman there where something don't expire, then they go wipe them off, they get the stamp, they can't update them, they sell and you people them.
Not to news that day.
Well, if you say not to news, before they go into that discussion, me people them, una see the new law where they don't pass the parliament concerning this thing where they happen now we had.
It looks about the protection and the promotion of consumer rights. Now, it's not only the private sector that thought that they were under attack, that they would go into our shops, they would go into our businesses. But now we are looking at government wholly owned and government partially owned enterprises. So government is also brought into question as to how do they treat consumers. We look at goods in specificity. We're looking at the act looks at services in specificity. It looks at the safety of goods. Safety as an element of itself. Again, when you talk about plants and animals, it's agriculture. When you talk about food safety, it's health. So bringing all of these players together. When you talk about other issues, so you have Standards Bureau. Standards Bureau, simply their mandate is to certify quality and standards, period. But we've been hearing over the past couple of days, passengers from Waterloo coming to center of town. They pay 5,000. In the middle of the journey, the driver says, come down. This is where the journey terminates. That's a consumer issue. It's not a standards issue. It's a consumer issue. So again, another important part where when we had the suspension of the activities of consumer associations was the issue of harassment and coercion. What is the difference between harassment? What is the difference between coercion? There's a whole element of investigation. Again, there are competent authorities in this country. So when it comes to issue of corruption, who do we go to? It's the ACC. When we come to issues of, say it has to do with the energy sector or water and the like, who do we go to? There's a competent authority. So all of these are within this particular act. And of course, there are offenses. So most people, when they look at the offenses, they look at the fines and the penalties. But these are simply deterrents. And interestingly, from a trade perspective, it's where we have enforcement and remedies. Because in today's world, you just don't talk about enforcement. What are the remedies? Remedies in trade simply means how do we prevent? What are the measures that we put up so that they don't occur? We have various trading regimes, various trade protocols with various countries. So in ECOWAS or in Mano River Union, as the case may be, Samuel, there is free movement of goods and services. Free movement. I cannot stop a good coming in. But what is it that I would do in terms of the remedies to ensure that the goods that are coming into Sierra Leone are fit for purpose, are fit for consumption? So all of these were taken into consideration. So it's broken into 6 parts, but it has several subsections, and it's a very, very rich document.
Right. And it seems, you know, the key players involved are satisfied with what has been put into this bill, which has been taken to Parliament. Are you completely satisfied?
What I would want to say in that direction, the person in charge of the legislative committee who was there gave everybody a chance to speak when we were there. Despite that, he broke the protocols, because in Parliament, you only have few people like the technical team to talk. But this time, he broke that kind of taboo or protocols to allow everybody to speak. That's why we took about 9 hours, you can imagine, for this bill really to be taken finally today to Parliament. Everybody was consulted. So at the end of the day, the petty trader, you name it, the consumer associations, we are not only there, even the ministry that is supervising us as consumers, we are all there. But we argued and disagreed. At the end of the day, we all agreed, maybe by 80 or 90%. Because in an exam, you cannot have 100%. But at most, we did have between 80 and 90%, which is good. Because the bill can be revisited in any other time. So that at the end of the day, to say, there was one entity that came very, very late, 5 hours towards the ending of the program. He said it must not go, and they want to go and examine it again. We said, no, it cannot be this time. People are suffering. You go to the marketplace, you have a lot of expired and substandard goods. For instance, you take your vehicle to the garage, you drive it and go there. By the time you know it, you cannot even drive it from there again. The mechanic has destroyed it more. So at the end of the day, now you have a place to complain, and redress will be there waiting for you, which is good for Sierra Leone. And in fact, it will help us in matters of trade. It will also help us in our expectancy, because now I think we are 39 or 40 years. So we are almost all of us, we are living ghosts, because there was no consumer law. But now that the law is there, I think the picnic is over. For you who wants to really delve into bad things, bad practice, bad business practice, it is for you to stop now, because some of the fines are 30 million and above. So the picnic is over.
Sorry to butt in.
Yes,
just to mention 2 important things. One is that also this act sets up for the establishment of a national consumer protection.
Because I was going to ask about the framework. Yeah. How is it going to work? The remedies, these policies now we're putting in place. What's going to be the structure for one to make a complaint, and at the end of the day, that complaint is being addressed?
Okay, good. So it sets up for the establishment of a national commission. So where all of these entities will come together. So now we have a unit or a hub, as you call it, that basically looks after all consumer issues. Importantly, it is for Sierra Leone to be able to compete. Samuel, in trade and in today's world, we have to compete. We've signed up with the 21st country to ratify the AFCFTA. If it had not been for COVID, 1st of July, we would have opened up. We have to compete. So how do we compete? Is to put in all of this trade architecture and trade governance framework in place. So like you mentioned, so Mr. Kabi and all these people would be part of this commission. We have other entities, the private sector would be involved. So there's a whole board structure with various expertise. So there are people that would be drawn from various sectors that also would be involved. So it would be a framework that would work for the interest of Sierra Leoneans and the consumers. And again, for us to be able to compete.
All right, let's
Let me come up quickly, please. And one of the important things and the advantage of this act that is coming to be enacted, it's a bill still up to maybe 10 or 11 o'clock. If you are in Makeni or Bombale, so to speak, you have a problem. You don't need to come and report to Freetown. There is a complaint committee there waiting for you. There is a desk there waiting for you.
That will be established.
Yes.
That's it, will be established.
Okay.
This is not good thing, no. This is not good thing. You know, say that we sister them, then we brother them, then get that stamp now, then they wait all the expiring dates.
As we talk right now, they sabi themselves.
I mean, sister, I so I sabi. Sister, I do. I do, man. Not about bad, just the greet you no more. I hope say you go afraid now with this Lord on the but wait too. You know say we been get inspector them. Where they always they go and then shop them, then store them, then marketplace them for see how best they can make sure say expire food and come on at the market.
Of course we been get them. But the only problem when we been get to them people there, they nobody they do their work accordingly how they for do them.
They be do their work, yeah.
How?
All time then I shop them, then marketplace they go to them, Libanese them, Indian man them, then Nigerian man them waiting.
So for say when they be they go now then Nigerian man, Indian man they shop here, you not be know what they do?
The only thing I've been also saying they do their work very well. As they can go and then shop them and then see something when they expire and say, Pa, look this thing, don't they expire. You need for pull up, but if you don't want pull up,
sit down. Me people this guy, he dey lie power now. He dey cover the secret. Not to nothing people they be they do. As we all be know say we get people where they go and look for things them na certain shop them where don't expire. But hey, where they go they. Then they meet them, not only they meet them, then they meet them, baku, when you see them reach, then pass them behind the counter, then pack the brown envelope, then give them. They not talk thing again.
But I'm glad for this law, because then say, them, even them people and then investigate them now, and then go begin run after them if they say to do that day.
When I decide I don't me glad when they talk and say, them come for make a changes, not to like the one day we don't do it.
But left me here. First time say almost lay egg. I think that this law don't give them this law don't give them more respect. Because first the law not be there, they just be go do them. Now when they go for go do them, then they afraid more when they reach na any shop. So instead of them they pack their 100,000, now what if you say go the can now 1 million? Because now law don't they.
But me, I get a question for ask Papa government. Papa government, as soon as all law put hands together and put this law, right? Now, we understand say people will be responsible for this thing. Now this game they be they play. When them go to the shop here, them bribe them, they not they talk. Now the law don't they try, the law not be there. What about you where they go to the shop? Where you not the workman, you they go to the shop for go observe, waiting they go on the and go see if expired thing and did you collect bribe. If they catch you waiting at the penalty where you they go under the law.
They are now a million in the pay. Then apart from that,
I don't mean the shop. I don't mean the shop owners there.
Now them, the inspectors.
The inspectors there.
Anti-corruption there for them. The law don't make provision.
Me now we call anti-corruption, but pop anti-corruption. We call no.
No. Right, the law don't there for them. The law they bet anybody.
Me I don't point. Why you call anti-corruption? Who say Ben can fall a day?
No. Me I'm not go agree because right this law it dey bet all man. I'm not say anyone the way they go mass safo. So it means say not for you when they go and buy no more. Even yourself, then driver them, where you go come up from Waterloo for come na Bombay Street. They say, no, Wellington, Calbaton from Waterloo. Down and then the bet there right now.
You mean then driver the way this way come
then
from
Bombay,
halfway. Where he come Wellington, he then say I had to stop there and kind of.
Yes, they all. This consumer protection law, they protect all man when are the end user. So this one is good good. Me, I like this one, good one, if I for we all. Let God bless the one them we put idea together, we pass on to law.
Now this we get for now over the consumer protection law. So do ya, una we Sierra Leone people we sisters them. We no go want tomorrow make you fall victim. If you go to any shop, you meet something where you want go buy expired, not take that risk for good change in date. If they owe you, the law they bet you. And you, the inspector, when they go to the shop for go check, mind you, other people are there when they watch you now. You as an inspector, if we catch you, you take bribe instead of then things say you pull it and then go destroy them.
You do go na paremba.
Like that.
Not to we sister the no more way they go buy no more can change it too. Then big brabi then self inside the shop then self can do them. Then get them shop boy them, waking day back at the store, they change them thing and they. But anyway. If you find out, say, you go inside the shop, you see them thing and they do ya, go and report, Ministry of Trade, they not set out 500, just don't be law. Go tell the police, but the police them back home.
You call police
They ought pass the one they went at the inspector.
Police the way they go, old people, they sell and see them, put them, now they motorcar, as the bed one comes to the bribe them, they left, they not call police
The inspector have been the team up with some of them police there, so for going at the shop, they go get say you. We just hope say this go on well.
That's
but wait
all.
All time we talk, the government. You know say we say self we can bad, eh?
No, the government are we all.
We bad
We just get people who put before.
No, we bad being. We really bad. But anyway, we hope say this lawyer will take care of them thing and
they go all tell me I believe that.
Thank you for this law. It's fine, no, it really fine. One time in the way wear black Maya. When we get one song where we say, if me na been boy, I'm not for done that. But because me na girl, you come and rape me. You deny me right to life. You make a lie in cold blood. We want justice. That day be
this justice don't bear no. This justice.
Na so you look, Karija, Sako.
The justice don't capsize.
Ebo, Doctor always been gonna court. You gonna court oh. But let me ask you. You remember say this case here so we been come up with the incident, the thing they were being that they rape this speaking and one time and the try for go out an hospital if for don't talk bike in neck broke and see. Now we don't know if na rape or not to rape. Other thing don't come up say na society.
Oh yeah.
It not up there. It not up there. Now the thing where they in fact before I go before, let me listen to this report when 98.1 puts down quick one on this rape on this Khadija in court case.
Dr. Simeon Owis Kurma are the first witness inside the alleged murder case where Mariam Abari and Ibrahim Ba the team before magistrate Magegba for. Because police allege say then two people here been joining for kill the late Khadija Sako. But during the time where Dr. Simeon Owis Kurma been talking at court, the defense team for them to accuse people here been say they will cross-examine Dr. Simeon Owis Kurma inside the next adjourned date when on August 6. lawyer A.M. Kamara na be the first lawyer wey cross-examine Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma. First question by lawyer A.M. Kamara na, Dr. Kroma, inside your report you say this pikin min get cold, and doctor, first me don check am. How comes you know? Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma say, na from the first doctor in report, na they I know. Another question by lawyer A.M. Kamara na that, Mr. Kroma, you been cross-check with the doctor? Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma say, e no mean do so, because contact no mean dey na the report, forget onto this doctor. Lawyer A.M. Kamara asks another question again. Mr. Kroma, you say you see catch pan this pikin in neck. And Dr. Owis me answer say, yes, my lord. Lawyer A.M. Kamara asks, Mr. Kroma, you may do fingerprint for know the person we kill this pikin? Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma answer say, not to invoke, because na autopsy no more than go with this pikin for. Another question by lawyer Kamara. Mr. Kroma, what did you use for do the autopsy? Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma say, na bone cutter, saw, knife, and other thing them. Lawyer A.M. Kamara, they ask other plenty question them. Another lawyer we cross-examine Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma, na lawyer Iti Kroma, and in the lawyer for the second accused, we na Maria Mabari. When me they ask, he say, Dr. Kroma, where you can do autopsy, you can use force? Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma answer say, yes. And lawyer Iti Kroma asks another question. Now during the time where you do the autopsy, now there you broke this pikin bone. Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma answer say, no sir. Another question by lawyer Kroma. Mr. Kroma, you can make mistake by your work? Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma say, no sir. I don't want them make mistake because as I be me work. Lawyer Iti Kroma asks again, you be able to know the person we kill this pikin? Dr. Simeon Owis Kroma answer say, no. Another witness na this case, na Emmanuel Joannis, police constable, he said during the time when them they do the autopsy, he may take picture and other thing them because na in work. But this witness, na lawyer C. Campbell, been cross-examine am. When me they ask question, he say, Mr. Witness, you not sabi nothing but autopsy, and a person tell you, waiting for snap. And the witness be answer say, yes, my lord. But this particular witness, the defense team no meet with him. After this witness, Magistrate Magegba be adjourned this case to August 13 this year. The state prosecutor them, na lawyer JAKCC and YICC. For the Society for Radio Democracy, Mina Usman Kamara, the report.
Well, you see, eh? You see? We've been talking in that program say, if we get very good lawyer for team up against the accused people, this case they go buff. But we don't know it so. This now question back at the ask. Khadija in case if they go buff or he left boing?
Well, in Khadija issue, my brother, the late Khadija in case, the lawyer now one. You remember I said OBC lawyer will be the talk about forensic lab and other thing. Honestly, if the government not try for creative way make we get this forensic lab, always then case and in the end. Because at the end of the day, you know they get a clear report. Any doctor can receive envelope when a bribe and give you a report where you feel. They don't care for their credibility. So many doctors don't care. They can go and do tests, instead they can say the truth to the people, then they come and say the wrong thing because of money. But if now this forensic lab we get, I believe say some of them things here, no they happen because especially in a forensic day. So for me who can get a report like this, we not go say na lie, we not go say na truth, but me I get out over the report. Because the way Khadija in case me they go, like I tell you one day, I said the way are the humans and they go now yard concerning Khadija in that one, if you not take to them people away they arrest, they all get for sets free. And now they cancel. You know, it's just sad.
Really, really sad. Really sad. Really sad. What's how they go? That's how they go with justice, eh? But not to that no more. You remember Kamarimba in case. We be deciding not for going to Kamarimba in case because we want frustrating they happen. One day we listen to one audio where Kamaremba they talk about different things them. You know, he talks to the Peking Papa, one lady Papa, one Peking 15 years of age, where then say he sexually penetrate. You know, he do mama and daddy business with him. After they talk to the Papa, say they explain to the Papa how we make all the Peking say the motivator, they call her a woman. And waiting at the other thing again, buy phone for her, get money, buy things them. You know, other people, plenty of opinion they on that day. Some people say not just good if they try for do. Some people say this will make other people and not they do good again to people them. And some people say, well, how am I getting where I look at this thing? But as by law, me self been get your opinion to that day. From that audio we be listening, I think say Kamaremba a form from the audio self we make a form. A form small because under age picking no matter. You not get any right, you know, where in parents them not give you the go ahead for they buy phone for them. Okay, let's say in auntie they also the men are there, okay. But plenty things there. When the police be don't go into this thing, they don't investigate. So the question where we could get for ask now, this thing na a genuine, you know, case or na which on political which one? Let's see comments for we done.
Anyway, we view as them. We listen as them. Kamaremba in case as you talk, you know, the audio where you try for talk, but I've been listening. I believe say Kamaremba himself had for implicate himself inside this offense where they allege say na he commit. Because as you just talk, you know go look small picking, you dey do a certain good them, unknowing to im parents them. It might be say you do it genuinely, but to the law, they know they take am that way, the way you take them. So now it make small picking where you they do am good, you get some good the way they do am, make let in people they know. But not to that now the main thing right now here. We know say Kamaremba don't fall in the hands of the law. So the law they take in cause. Now then get for find them guilty or not guilty. But the problem we get towards this issue, you ask a question, say, many people then left a comment at the section below. But I get concerned where me say one response more before the people in the comments. To me, I think say now a political goal they want scope at Kamaremba because it oppose the SLPP new direction power government. How? You remember say one guy where they sell motorcar and lonely. We don't do the same sexual administration to one people at 12 years of age. Where he go lay down with him for 1,000 leons. That Kolwata. That case they been come up. It just make like where wind they blow.
Yeah, according to the reporter, you know, 98 reporter, they say they reach the policeman several times. It's either they not respond to text message, they not pick their call, they not show any interest in the case. So? But yeah, we can understand that's a small case for them because I feel say all sexual penetration are the same thing, are the same law. But this one is a very big one, you know, a political figure, and they get political.
No, but you don't go say this, that be a small one.
No, make us say all cases are the same.
Because if Kamaremba you go to this high peak, I feel say this na high time for me them go for that car owner or car dealer, in your case, make it come back so now they able to show proper justice to we the people of Sierra Leone. That time they will not say Kamaremba in case not to witch hunt. You understand? Because that person will first do them where they sell motor and lonely. Now the same as Kamaremba, they all are citizens of Riyadh. So now this will talk about justice. We are not for sideline certain people them in when it comes to justice, but when other person when we not him do something of the nature, but we not take that case there to higher level.
I'll give you a funny story. Small picking I mean 5 years 5, 6, I think around there in the 5, 6, 7, 8, something like that. This big man, they play with him. So now that foolish big man then, they make the picking chugudun. So it make the picking so chugudun he put in hand by the picking chugudun. And the picking say, hey! And they can't tell mama now he begin to follow he discourage the picking not go talk. Let his name picking not play. Now he say chugudun. Now he say, hey, I don't say this chugudun, but that first one. And they tell you mama. So some time back, the picking them, it don't reach them for we the parents them, the mama and papa them, they talk to them picking them, you know, of anything. They're not for the threatening them picking them. And the picking them back need for the open them. Because I know one thing, how you dey relate with your pikin na dey make when something happen with your pikin e dey come to you the parent e can talk to you instead of e go na street but like this pikin wey that car dealer go do mami the business for Kolwata and 1,000 if you watch am e don suffer inside you know for am e don suffer inside e no able for talk to in people because e feel say when e talk to them wetin go happen dem go beat am so e keep am to himself so we the parents dem get a very great role for play for the talk to we pikin dem lay anything wey dey happen let we make them we best of friend you know if e no happen that way dey you make let the pikin dey afraid then na real problem.
Well, this na just short advice to we the parents dem. The way things dey go right now, not only Salonu, na the one whole world. But especially we in Africa, we lack what we call communication with we pikin dem. You understand?
I don't know pikin dem no more. The one communication generally.
You know, even in the relationship there, political. But hey, a very important communication is something very important in anything wey you dey do. But now we dey talk of we pikin dem. You know, like when my brother just talk now, you pikin, he left to out na the rapport. Now in the make if even they go church and a street, I can't tell you. But we get some comrades. They know say them things that they happen to their pikin dem. You know say some comrades na there, some as their pikin dem for men. So tell the man self na host na in they do that thing there. The way the pikin can report to the mama, he will really tell you say no can put problem, not give the man bad name, na beat back.
We don't see that thing. So we don't see you know the daddy they go after his own pikin. You know, it threats in her back, and it happen. Plenty of them people and they suffer in silence inside. So like this now, if like that picking in a way man be go make pan chugudun. If he be the friend for talk to him mama, and not go tell him mama say this man make pan me chugudun. That man they go make chugudun. They say left no chugudun. Say he do am chugudun way past down day.
Of course.
You see? So when they talk to we picking them, so we go know they go know how for work out.
Very important.
It's really important.
Very important.
Anyway. That's the small update we get for Khadija. In case you know hearing now, first we say Nabundo, second one they say if I don't a bike, other one they say them broken egg, this and that, they say suffocation, and then say strangulation, all elation they don't inside.
Now Bodo reports don't come on from doctor.
No, doctor we don't appear for the first time, and don't go talk this one. Hey Khadija, let you so rest in perfect peace. No. Yeah. But this is not the thing where they say. We dey blame in mama and papa. If a mama and papa be there for this pikin, enough for be happen like this. What I mean?
Oh yeah.
We see when this thing happen, the mama bin come and say, then well, we hear say the mama one can't talk. But at one point in time, then say the mama no well, he admits. From where he admits, then now he not say that. The papa na he talk boku. Some people they say the papa lie. Well, how go not say the papa lie for the mama?
When the mommy not
talk. He not do talk. But the bottom line now, if the mama and the papa be see eye to eye, all of this problem when meet is speaking, and not for me no ever meet them. So now that make we say, if them been there for Khadija, not enough for be happen. I make in one of the program we say if they were there for me, they're not there for the pikin. So now I make it go past all of this kind of problem where you go past some. Anyway, what do you think about this again? Let your comment down for we. Now we comment section. We go gladly for you from yourself.
Now this we get for Guna, but Khadija, you update. Anything we come again, we dey make let una know. As una know say we always there for inform una. But anyway, Aliu, I think we need for jump now to the biggest topic of the day now we had.
Makeni Lives Matter. But 3 weeks back, we know the incident we come up now, Makeni, Bombali district, in northern part of Sierra Leone, concerning generator. Well, according to it, we know they get miscommunication, bridge, communication gap, all of them things.
Anyway, I not cut you word. Before you go further, Makeni Lives Matter, stroke, Sierra Leone Lives Matter. No. Because the things that will not happen, not only Makeni.
No. This is Makeni Lives Matter for now.
Okay, go ahead. That now you.
Every Sierra Leone Life Matter, but this one when are the hashtag rights on Makeni Lives Matter.
Okay, let's go.
So let Justin not can tell me what you want for tell me. Now wait till the of the day.
Say Justin not tell me what you want for tell me.
No. As soon as day. As soon as day. Una dem pa upaya. Una always tell una there for play things there. As soon as day.
Go ahead.
So, Makeni Lives Matter, now the issue of the day. We see, let's start with 3 weeks ago, 5 people had lost their life out of gunshots, you know, and we understand that they don't do post-mortem pan 2 from this same Owizo they talk about. Yeah, they don't do post-mortem pan 2. But now the issue of bear no bear, give you pikilo bear, not give you pikilo bear. If you don't need this, you don't need this, you don't need this. Then they go Sudan, they cancel, then they go Sudan, they cancel. They don't do autopsy yet or post-mortem. Now you call her no more now. Now this shit that they do. Give me pikila bear no, or they done with them first. We investigate. Now gunshot happen. That person where he come out, okay, let's say come out, he go create violence and business. He don't die. We investigate the body. But anyway, the Bombali members of parliament together with other few members of parliament within the parliament is and then them decide for do a protest, peaceful protest, you know, for sure say the lives of every Sierra Leonean matter. I will take like a word now. Are you don't glad now?
Go ahead.
Every Sierra Leonean life matter, and then the Makeni lives as well matter. Let me first of all look how we be talk with the MPs them na parliament.
Of the people with the support we colleagues them from Bombali district, we persistently don't raise issues in this house. As recent as the last sitting, the Honorable Peter Yamba rise under SO23 and call for the attention of this house and the general public to make them get access to the people that died and corpses, so that they will get a befitting funeral and then we get the corpses and go bury them. Nothing violent, nothing physical, but yes, we want to enjoy with freedom and continue to enjoy with human rights. As I say, everything gets a start, and perhaps this is not the start, but we consider and think about all other people who don't die before now. As when I see me banner, we talk about Sierra Leonean lives matter. So each and every Sierra Leonean, irrespective of your status or who you find yourself, this is non-political. It will not be political. It is patriotic. It is Sierra Leonean, and it will remain Sierra Leonean. With t-shirt wearing a black, the printings in a white, no particulars. So we call on the authorities them, make them listen to the people and cry, and make sure say they help them to enjoy the rights where the Constitution give them. Once again, one for telling plenty thank you, and may God bless you.
Okay, Mr. Opposition Leader, we're not going to let you go. We're going to ask you questions, and the first question will be around the fact of Makeni Lives Matter. And when I don't talk with the speaker, what will be the outcome of that engagement day? Because we didn't ask what the speaker say, we call on all the leaders to engage. What did come out of that meeting?
Well, we don't make a lot of progress, but we don't conclude the list state. And today, the speaker said don't confirm that the public now today doing plenary. When I raised the issue, they don't summon before. Honorable Newman, myself, Honorable Dr. Yum Keller, and Honorable Emerson, for meet with them tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock, and conclude the list so that I shall say, then it will get the opportunity to announce the names them tomorrow.
What will be the best conclusion?
The best conclusion I will make sure say we all enjoy the rights and freedom within the remit of the law.
In this case, specifically, when I want to let the body or waiting?
Well, basically, I love the people and they ask for, and we believe say, if you person die, you want for burial. About rights that then give the opportunity for burying the person, because now you know how for bury them. So we're traditional people then.
Generally, critics then say the parliament don't be sluggish in this.
Well, I don't know about any critics and but the media don't follow. I don't see them in any media.
All right, we see you get the Honorable Dr. Kale Keller. Waiting this message is the same.
As I say, this is non-political. It is national. Doc?
Well, I go answer for me, sir. They're very consistent. Yeah, NGC we position consistent. If you look, AYV interview 5th of May, morning coffee 6th of May, and Namina the only politician we go on media for talk about Lonsar, Tombo, and Padembaro. And we've been very consistent, even the press release will do what Makeni, independent, impartial investigation. Second, right to free speech. Yeah, Mion Pikin SSF joined Black Lives Matter. I have been consistent talking about excessive use of force. So for me being here, a number of things. Freedom of speech. Second, we therefore take a look into this issue of excessive force. I opposed it in 2016, 17, I oppose it even now. We get for find other ways to deal with riots. Thirdly, me believe say that this funeral now an opportunity for let we teach people then say we can protect them within the exercise their right. For example, if them family I want bury them people, me waiting me go glad for see. Now for say police they protect them, guide them for go bury them people. Now that we don't see in other countries. Me don't then a protest in Europe. And they give we protection who they work at. No violence, no nothing. So me, yes, are they in solidarity? Every life matter. And not like too much police brutality anywhere. For say do ya, let we do something else. Also, even we would express protest, we can do them peacefully, but within the remit of the law. It is our right. Also, the police, for talk to them, train them, say, there are other ways of dispersing crowds. It's happening too much from 2016 to now, and I think it's getting worse. So yes, NGC were very consistent. If you check, again, me personally, 5th of May on AYV, 6th of May on Morning Coffee, I was very consistent, and I'm here standing in solidarity with my brothers.
Yes, Mr. Leader. The protest in Kenya last month, all Sierra people, why the ruling party not be part of this, protest, including the situation?
We are not protesting, we send a message.
Okay, the message not include.
Basically, I'm not going to tell you, say the ruling party not involved, because you've been there this afternoon, you see what it transpire, they not walk out, they not go. Then in there, what we do, and we conclude. Now we don't go for other business. The motion where we pass the parliament, now unanimous one, we all agree. You not get nothing to do with politics. The SLPP, the APC, the NGC, and the C4C, we all vote unanimously to make the speaker set up this committee. We will do an independent inquiry into Mr. Namakeni from the House of Parliament. So it's not political.
If nothing is done,
we believe that something will be done. The speaker we believe will keep to your words.
So when you look at the issue of police presence inside Makini, we don't create beaucoup threats to the lives of people. Which kind of mechanism we don't put in place for making to stop the too much of police and soldiers as part of the talk?
Again, this is one issue we don't raise, something we discuss, and as I talk to issue right now, we need engagement with the police. We make sure they don't do anything where we will create more tension, or we will do things that we will make other people engage. We continue to engage, basically.
Well, this is not the video. We all don't see how we MPs them all send for go represent we, display for we, including Kande Yunkela. Well, inside this one where they do, we happy because we been get understanding say people of Makeni, we don't make them polite for work them. The SLPP New Direction Power Government, they will deploy police and soldiers them say nobody not for work them polite. If police see any citizen of Makeni where them polite, make them go lock up. Una see advantage? The same thing don't happen at Pandemba Road. Who say them people there kill people them? Where according to the report we get more than 40-something people and then come and tell you the your number. Okay, we agree. Then tell you say that they go back them people here, maybe people they will not see no dead body. Now don't see them go show it on video.
Now the grave.
Now just grave them go show it.
Well, we will open the cops so now.
It's supposed to be. So what till they convince we say the people that be even kill Pandemba Road, now then they inside that or two them go show it.
You talk on.
Yeah, but not the right thing.
Yeah, now you talk to.
Waiting, they make we convince.
You talk to.
You support me again? Ashamed for you.
I'm not supporting.
No, ashamed for you.
Wait. We not power can do anything. We'll ask you. You sure say people have been inside and coughing in it?
Me, I don't believe say people have been there. Now empty the they show.
They want to Pandemba, we don't go back then. Ebola been gone. They all been inside the coffee. You sure say they been inside?
And me say they tell you say they go show we fake graves them. Say that people have been buried there. You know, okay, now you not up there. Una don't go na Makeni, una don't go kill people for generator. Oh, even understand so they go to Lunge, you not able the power of Lunge. Right? And up to now they don't return it to, they still get on it. But we are still a watch.
Now we get on.
Now the people of Makeni don't call for them picking their own go kill. Say make una give them, then don't be at the pain. Then they go back and picking them. One, una stop them say they not for where, them black t-shirt for moon for them picking and say
not important. Everything important. People then go to police station for go ask, but waiting they happen with them and they will be don't kill. guess what the police do? The police tell the people and say, let them go to the SLPP chair, the regional chair.
Can you imagine?
Let them go ask
the
police.
The duty and the responsibility where you the police for take. So now SLPP chairman responsible now for that.
Because we na power, we make sure say anytime we dey power, therefore respect the authority. Period.
Well, the discussion still dey continue about McKinney, but like una see we right now, we're in a different, way, different screen and all. This now for sure say we've been done for record before we get complete information about this particular issue of McKinney. So we decided, say, okay, let we come up with what we get and let una go know waiting happen na McKinney inside Bombale district with regards to the burial of the two people where they been shoot during the McKinney generator incident. Justin, you don't see plenty of videos them where come up from the burial, how we been told, like what you gather?
Well, really, I don't see so many videos them on social media, and another video them between our own inbox. As you say, people and get for no say we be done record already before some of the information they are come inside. But we still continue for talk. USA will be don't stop. As we all see the videos that way they go around, we get to understanding say they release two bodies to the people of McKinney, where the youth of McKinney, including the parents that we born them PK, come together for beg them people there. But let we not go too far. Let us watch the video them for people that we're not fortunate for see the video there before we go inside the discussion proper one.
STUNT, eclectic music. We want justice. The people need justice. We want justice. Alright, it was on Friday night, the 17th of July. The rumors of the generator went viral. Some youths them take upon themselves to protest us in them up, preventing the machine from going. The next day, when we wake up in the morning, it was like any other Saturday morning. The protest continued. Suddenly things went out of control with gunshots all over the place. Oh, we McKinney, the peaceful city. Oh, we McKinney, the tolerant city. Sweet, sweet McKinney, the beautiful city. Now we the cry for the one they put on that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. There we are show. There we are show. To the baby family. There are show. There are show. Rest in peace to only one they put on that. We pray that life perpetual shine on you. Eclectic we say. There we are show. Back at the people. There we are show. Man, we say no to violence, we should be wise and prudent. And that's don't a man say. No need for take the law, now you and the rather find other means to channel your grievances. Police brutality is on the rise, but mind you, all lives matters. There's no alternative to life, that's why life is so precious. For sure, this is serious. Oh, we McKinney, the wonderful city. Oh, we McKinney, the music city. Every other stakeholder should come on board. It's high time we make our forefathers proud.
Good day to all Sierra Leoneans, wherever USA you dey. The topic of this video, Sierra Leone life matters. President Bio, with your cabinet, with your government, not all this will be vote for you for. Not all this will be vote for you, President Bio. We vote for you for make we lives them better, for make we get peace and unity in our country. We need love in our country. We need to get love in our country, President Bio. Yeah, Allah. Now you been giving strength. Now you giving life for votes for this man. Now you been giving strength for Tinapuna line for register for votes for this man. Yeah, Allah. Delegate today. It depend destroy creation them. They like it today. President Bio and government depend destroy creation them, ya Allah. Who summon President Bio in government and ya Allah. President Bio who summon and to you, Allah. Who know say you get patience, Allah. For the evil people, but Allah, we need your help, ya Allah. Ya Allah, we need your help now. Ya Allah, we need your help. Now you will give me the strength for vote for this man, ya Allah. Then like it today, Mother Beyond in governments, they destroy creation, then ya Allah. Now you get the rights for kill we, now you get the rights for take we life. Then like it today, creation, they destroy, creation, they destroy, we lives them, ya Allah. They kill innocent people, them, they kill innocent people, ya Allah. We summon Mother Beyond in government, ya Allah. We summon Mother Beyond in life, we summon Mother Beyond to you, ya Allah. We need the help, Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Ya Allah. Ya Karim. Ya Rajim. Ya Rajim. Ya Allah. Allahu Akbar.
Every usher for the Biri family. Rest in peace to only one them we don't die. We pray that life perpetual shine on you. Eclectic we say, every usher. Like any people, every usher. Every usher. Every usher. For the Biri family. Rest in peace to only one them we don't die. We pray that life perpetual shine on you. Eclectic we say, every usher. Like any people, every usher. Yeah. Eclectic music. Rest in peace to only one them we die. And of course, speedy recovery to only one them we injured. We need answers to so many questions, especially the lack of communication. But notwithstanding, youth them we need for state of violence, you know? It's unacceptable.
Well, this now waiting happen inside McKinney City. You know, as them been go for bail, 2 of the out of the 5 people them where they shoot during the McKinney generator incident. Things in the way I pick up from this then video the other watch. Number 1, I know see the presence of police or military personnel, you know, out of all the video them we may see. Number 2, people them they call for justice. And number 3, what we may like past all now the fact that when them in the cemetery, the being gone, them being they sing the national anthem instead of, you know, them party song them. When we I like that, it shows say this not about politics, you know, this not just about waiting them feel say right or waiting them feel say go wrong. And I know conscious say out of the video that I see somebody wear party color or party, you know, logo or t-shirt waiting when they talk about any party. We make her feel very, very, very okay about the whole thing.
Well, really, waiting the McKinney people display into this burial, just don't tell we say some of the things them way this present government they do to we the people of Sierra Leone now advantage. Not all about party, not to all side you they go for go do something. You go begin to bully people, they kill people, they think say now everybody belong to the particular party owner they target on. Now we all don't see the people of McKinney as them be don't allege say now APC push them out for go rally or for go protest concerning this machine. Now the people that don't display say no, it not happen so. They will just come out as citizens for make them show their rights and ask questions who side they can go with their machine. Unfortunately, police go fire live bullets, kill people them. Now we don't see nobody wear red or anybody wear any party color. They wear them black with different attires. And again, when they go to the burying ground, they not sing party song, they not sing party anthem. Now the national anthem, now in the sing. That don't show we say this government really for take caution. The need for take caution really, really. Not to all my way they can go bully, belong to them party within the target.
I like another thing. Well, the most touching thing for me, now they say the 2 victims, the family members, them, you know, they all display them pictures them and then they take to the streets, you know, for go beg, you know, see them in the cry. You know, for me, that be the most touching moments that day, not to even decide where them in care, where them in touch the body, them board, and decide where the family members in the cry. It shows something. It shows how much they don't miss already them people that we don't die, you know, out of this particular thing. But still, we get some people them where they think party, where heartless. They still say useless die, reckless die. They still feel say the people and die out of ignorance. No, you know, I can always talk this and they continue for talk. That moment where you did this particular thing, where you enjoy this thing here, so you don't go see the bad part of them until the day where it go well, there you begin smell and they tell you, say, hey, this thing bad, this thing, this. So I think we get for feel like Sierra Leonean, where one Sierra Leonean die, don't forget about party, don't forget about region, tribe or anything. Lord just think say, yes, this Sierra Leonean don't die, you know, we don't lost one life, we can bring a change tomorrow. We just need for know how best we can able for, you know, sympathize. If we not get anything for talk, we go say, you know, encourage people that we don't lost them family, them rather, let we know they talk than with the, rather than we go and begin say useless, this, all of them funny things and then. So I think say, now that certain people they really need for the do.
Well, really, my brother, that not get for stop. Why make I tell you say that not get for stop? We get people in we had where they worship them, party them. We get people in we had where they worship their ministers them. You get another people them based, then they worship the president. And that anything will happen. They know they see the side of the people. They always they see the good side of the party where then they worship. Where normally they call them party picking, and they can come out to them talk there say, people and they outside and they decide to now why they not come on, they don't go kill them out of this, out of that. Now then people are so that they don't get for stop. We know how we are it today. Then people are they worship them, party them. There is no way where they're able to sympathize with the citizens of Sierra Leone. The country already divided. So we just they pray to God, make God bring goal out now in the country and make God direct we the right way and give good leaders them.
We pray that we go see ourselves as one, like we'll begin in the program, we will say, we pray that we'll see ourselves as one, so we tomorrow go better than with today.
I think say we will call Lefuna inside this program today. One for telling plenty thank you for one I don't join we. We still appreciate una comments, no matter what una comment, as long as we not use F word. You know, inside we waiting there, F word, A word, we don't want them. You know what I mean, eh? A word we get S, we don't want them. F word, we don't want them, we get K, we don't want at all. But any strong argument, put your point, yeah? Yeah, thank you very much for all the taking time for watching videos them every other day. Yeah, and the one that we also can message we, can send videos them for we, you know, send different things them for follow we not miss the issues of the day. One for say plenty thank you to all.
We always the advice concerning the rainy season we'll get right now we had. As you all know, do ya. Una continue for listen and una continue for take the advice them where we and different people in the advice. If rain don't dark or rain they come, now for try your possible best for protect yourself and your family from any danger where rain they can cause now we had. Until we meet again at the next program, una stay blessed, una stay safe, Mina Justin.
Mina Liu, God bless we all. If you not subscribe to a video, do that right now, it not cost you anything. When you press the subscribe button, put on the notification bell. So anytime when we do a video, you're able to be part of that particular conversation there, okay? Thank you very much. So the one that we can do, you know, live chats whenever we the premiere or we show. Until we meet again, God bless we all. Let God make we continue for see ourselves as one Sierra Leonean inside one country.
It's no problem.
You see Justin eh? Now mistake and mistake so
now one country, one people, you want call by waiting.
Yeah, no, inside one country, one people, it don't matter.
Okay, not only one for SLPP.
Now the one for every.
Now the one for every Sierra Leonean.
One country, one people.
One power.
Bye.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to we channel. All wetin you get for do, press this red subscribe button and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. And done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able for grow fast and pass this number, all wetin you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join we na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for your help for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.